Lexus is more than a means of transportation. It's an extension of who you are. And at Heffner Lexus, we understand that connection. Here, you're more than a guest. You're part of the family. Both you and your Lexus will receive the highest standards of care. Treat yourself to freshly brewed coffee and snacks at our coffee bar. Enjoy our comfortable waiting area with a business lounge and complimentary entertainment screens. All while our Lexus Academy trained technicians are taking care of your Lexus by using the most advanced techniques and equipment. In case of parts replacement for your Lexus, we offer a 2-year or 40,000-kilometer warranty for parts installed in-house and a 1-year or 20,000-kilometer warranty for parts purchased over the counter. And speaking of over-the-counter, you can also spoil yourself or loved ones in our Lexus boutique. If time is not on your side, you can still enjoy the Heffner Lexus experience. We provide alternative transportation if your service takes over an hour, including our luxury shuttle service or a complimentary Lexus loaner. Or you can use our key drop box for after-hours service. And as part of it all, at the end of every service, your Lexus is treated to a complimentary hand wash, ensuring it looks as good as it runs. We do everything we can so you feel like a welcomed guest in our home. Experience the Heffner Lexus difference.